Story. Every Saturday morning, Lisa cleans her room. She is dusting the furniture and organizing her books. Her mother is in the kitchen, washing the dishes and cooking breakfast. Meanwhile, her father mows the lawn and trims the hedges outside. Lisa's little brother, Tom, plays with his toys in the living room, making a mess. As Lisa vacuums the floor, she notices a spider in the corner. She is not scared and decides to catch it with a cup and paper. Her mother is now baking cookies, and the delicious smell fills the house. Tom tries to sneak a cookie, but his mother tells him to wait until they are done. Lisa's father is now in the garage, fixing his bike. After finishing her chores, Lisa helps her mother set the table for breakfast. They are putting plates, glasses, and utensils in their places. Her father comes in from the yard, and Tom finally gets a cookie. The family sits down together, enjoying their breakfast and planning the rest of the day. They are happy to have a clean house and a delicious meal to share. Questions. 1. What does Lisa do every Saturday morning? 2. What is Lisa currently dusting and organizing? 3. Where is Lisa's mother, and what is she doing? 4. What chores does Lisa's father do outside? 5. What is Tom doing in the living room? 6. How does Lisa react when she sees a spider while vacuuming? 7. What is filling the house as Lisa's mother bakes cookies? 8. Why does Tom try to sneak a cookie? 9. What does Lisa do after finishing her chores? 10. How does the family feel after completing their chores and sitting down for breakfast?